When a natural disaster strikes, it can turn cities into chaos. Communication lines break, power goes out, and finding survivors become a race against time. But there's one powerful tool we can use to save lives: light. In this video, we will explore how light is making a difference in disaster response and how it can help in future emergencies. One of the biggest challenges after a disaster is communication. Without working phones or internet, it's hard for rescue teams to coordinate or help survivors. This is where Wi-Fi technology comes in. Wi-Fi uses light to send data just like Wi-Fi but faster. Because it uses light, it doesn't need traditional communication towers. This means it can work even when the regular networks are down, helping rescuers stay connected in disaster zones. Finding people trapped in rubble or flood waters is urgent, but in large areas, it's hard to find everyone quickly. Light-based technologies like LIDAR and infrared can help. LIDAR sends out light pulses to create 3D maps of disaster zones, helping rescuers spot people faster. Infrared light can detect body heat, making it easier to find people at night or under debris. These technologies have already helped save lives in real rescue missions. In disaster zones, electricity is often unavailable, making it hard to run medical equipment. But solar-powered devices can help. Portable solar panels can charge light, communication devices, and medical tools in areas with no power. Solar-powered water purifiers use UV light to make water safe to drink. These technologies allow field hospitals to keep helping people, even in the middle of a disaster. In a disaster, it can be difficult to know where to go, especially at night. But light can help guide people to safety. Drones with bright LED lights can light up safe paths for people to follow. Emergency lighting systems can work through heavy rain or fog, showing the way to shelters. Some laser systems can even project warning messages on the ground from the sky, helping people find safety when time is short. Early warnings are critical to saving lives, but traditional methods don't always work well. Light-based sensors in satellites can detect early signs of storms, tsunamis, or volcanic eruptions. These sensors study changes in the atmosphere or on the Earth's surface, giving warnings before disaster strikes. Light can also monitor buildings, bridges, or dams, alerting people if they are about to collapse so they can evacuate safely. To sum it up, light isn't just for seeing. It's a powerful tool that can help us communicate, find survivors, power medical care, guide evacuations, and even give early warnings. In the face of natural disasters, light can make a real difference in helping to save lives and rebuild communities. If you found this video helpful, share it with others to spread awareness about these life-saving technologies. Together, we can shine a light on a better, safer future. Thank you very much.